Welcome to the Cool English Podcast, where I bring you English vocab, culture, pronunciation, and much more.
Welcome back to the Cool English Podcast. My name's John, and today we're going over cooking vocabulary, specifically cooking methods. These are the different ways we cook our food, and it's a great set of vocab to learn for travel English when you're going out to restaurants, or even if you're an amateur chef. So let's get started with level 1 today. The first word is cooking food like bread and cakes in an oven with dry heat. So if you're cooking something in an oven with dry heat, that would be
bake.
To bake. So we say baked cake or a baked food. Next, cooking in in extremely hot water. So pasta, some seafood, we like to cook in really hot water, certain vegetables.
Boil.
That's boil. So we say boiled shrimp or boiled corn. Next, cooking food in hot oil or fat. So this is that delicious way, but maybe not the healthiest way to cook food. And we say
fry.
Fry. So fried chicken is very famous, right? French fries, when we fry the potatoes in the hot oil. After that, we have cooking food on an open grid over a heat source. So really common in the backyard, maybe on the weekend, we barbecue on the
grill.
So grilled fish or grilled steak are popular things to cook. Next, turning a solid into a liquid through heat. So it's common when we're cooking, we need to change the solid into a liquid. And we can sometimes do that in the microwave or on the stove. And we're going to say
melt.
So we need melted chocolate or melted cheese is very common on the menu. After that, to cook food like meat using dry heat, such as in an oven or over a fire. So this one is really common to bake, but when we cook meat, especially, we like to say
roast.
So for Thanksgiving, we might have a roasted turkey or chicken. After that, exposing food to the fumes from burning wood. So some people like to cook food for a long time by using the burning wood's fumes, and that would be
smoke.
To smoke the food. And we say the smoke from the burning wood is what cooks the food. So smoked salmon is very popular, but smoked pork or smoked chicken. Finally, we have browning food like bread with dry heat. So in the morning for breakfast, you might want to take some bread and put it into a machine to make it kind of brown and crunchy. And we say
toast.
So you want to toast the bread in the toaster. So let's take a quick look at some of those words again, maybe in a multiple choice format. To make her famous chocolate cake, she needs to it in the oven for 30 minutes. Well, in that context, I would choose bake, right? You want to bake the cake in the oven. Please the water before adding the spaghetti. So what are we going to do to the water? We're going to boil the water before adding the spaghetti, right? To get it really hot. Every morning, a slice of bread for my breakfast. So to make the bread brown, maybe kind of crispy, we say toast a slice of bread. He will the salmon with hickory wood to give it a nice flavor. So maybe we choose he will smoke the salmon with hickory wood. For a delicious Sunday dinner, we usually a chicken with herbs. Well, in that context, because we're seeing the oven, we might roast the chicken with herbs. For crispy chicken, you should it in oil until it's golden brown. So KFC in America is Kentucky Fried Chicken. So we want to fry the chicken in oil. First, you need the cheese to make the fondue. So to turn that solid into a liquid, I would say we need to melt the cheese to make the fondue. During the summer, we love to hamburgers and hot dogs outside. And if you're having a barbecue, you want to grill hamburgers and hot dogs. How about some video clips? Let's take a look. Or really, let's take a listen. So what are the 2 words you hear?
Hey, we're gonna fry some bacon?
Yogurt and a boiled egg.
So I think she said fry some bacon and a boiled egg. So fry and boiled.
And look, I'm melting butter.
He's smoking a pork shoulder.
So in that one, I think she's melting butter and smoking a pork shoulder.
Freshly baked!
I'll take the grilled chicken, please.
They're freshly baked, and he wanted the grilled chicken.
I want garlic bread, toasted, not burnt.
So I have the peppers in the oven roasting.
In that one, he wanted the garlic bread toasted, and the other person is roasting peppers in the oven. Now let's take a look at a couple questions. So, have you ever tried to bake a cake? What kind was it? For me, yeah, I've baked a chocolate cake a couple times because I love chocolate cakes. What is a dish you know that requires boiling water? Well, for me, I know spaghetti or any type of pasta, I normally need to boil the water to cook the pasta. What's your favorite fried food? Why? I really like fried chicken because I think it's so delicious. What are common foods people grill in your country? Well, in the United States, people love to grill hamburgers or steaks outside. What type of cheese melts best? I think that American cheese melts really good, but mozzarella melts well too, especially on pizza. What vegetables do you think taste best when roasted? Many vegetables taste good when roasted. I love roasted corn myself. Have you ever eaten smoked food? What did you think about it? Yes, I've tried smoked salmon. It was good, but it's not my favorite food. Do you like your toast lightly toasted or very crispy? For me, I like it in between. I don't want it too crispy, but not too light. Okay, I think that's enough open questions, but as you can see, there's many more. And if you're interested, there's a definition game, a self-correcting test, even a PDF to download and do extra practice with cooking methods. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of the Cool English Podcast. Next week, we'll be going over the level 2 of cooking methods. Have a great week.
To learn English. Cool English.
Do you want to learn?
Cool English.
Cool
English, dude. English.